What is going on, guys? Today I got the Holy Grail. We're gonna see if it actually is a Holy Grail. I got the Arrma Talion. Let's check it out. I haven't got to give this thing a proper introduction, but we got the Arrma Talion EXB version sitting on some Arrma Fireteam tires, as it didn't come with the stock tires. But look at this thing, guys. I mean, it's pretty well stock with all the EXB parts. Got a fan system, already broke that. You'll see that in the first part of the video. I just had to put another servo. Again, you'll see what happened to the other servo in the beginning part of this video at the skate park. But running on the China Hobby battery, let's go see if this thing actually is the Holy Grail. I also put my Fly Sky in this because the stock radio system that came with it, absolutely terrible. And I hated trying to steer with it while filming. It just felt really weird. I've heard a lot of talks about how this is the Holy Grail of all RC cars. So we're gonna go find out today. Come with me along this journey. I don't know if we're gonna really see a Holy Grail out of this thing, as it is an Arrma, but we're gonna go make this thing fly over here at the skate park. See if this thing lasts more than 2 minutes. So let's go try it out. All right, boys, let's get this going here. I mean, she's feisty though. Hello. That was pretty nice. Just a little easy bounce. Heard something pop there. Might have been a rock. Let's go and make this thing fly, because I think that's all she's used to doing, is flying. Doesn't look like many people stunt them. Holy that thing flies. Oh my god. I mean, that's why I guess people say they're flyers. This is a live reaction to a first-time Talion driver. Okay. All right. I think we're upside down, but wow. Okay. Yeah, that's going like 100 feet, no problem. We're in the trees. Get your logs out of here. Nice. She's very flat. It does have the EXB chassis though. I'm loving how it's flying so far. I actually be able to see. Oh god. No. All right, so I think she's a certified flyer. Okay, she kind of backflips though. She kind of backflips though, no problem. Low backflips, no problem. Okay. Yeah, the tires kind of save it though. Yeah, they did. All right, let's bring her over to the other big flyer spot. She is smooth. Okay. I forgot to check the tires because Bradley never checks them. Uh-oh. Ow. Yeah. Is that a gunshot or a Talion shot? Uh-oh. I hope we survived that one. That was a little rough. Landed right on the side. Did the A-arms hold on to that? Yeah, don't look like we broke A-arms. Okay. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Thought I lost steering there for a second. Yeah, that's the farthest flyer I've had so far out here. I wonder if the M2C shocks will keep it from bouncing like that. But shoot, dude, that's pretty impressive. As you can hear, the fans are hating life. The fans are hating their life. Into the trash can? No. Talion doesn't want to be in the trash can. You hear the fans? They're hating life. Oh, that sounds like a weed eater. Okay. Yeah, we landed it. No, not the water. Yeah, this thing's fun. I don't know if I could sell it now. You want a whirl? No, come on, you want a whirl. I know you want a whirl. Here you go.
I'll be the one to break it.
Yeah, exactly, here you go. It lasted so far for me. All right, Cameron's on the sticks now. I want him to feel the power of the flyer. Have you ever driven a Talion? No. So we're both first-time Talion drivers. I don't know how they're different than a Creighton, but they are. What happened?
Steering's weak.
Oh, typical Arrma's. It's got an upgraded servo in it too. Yeah, I thought I wasn't going towards the right. Nice. Even with the fire team tires. I mean, that's ripping doubles like nothing out here.
I've got no steering.
No steering now? Yeah, that's Arrma, isn't it?
Yep.
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 Even with the upgraded servo in here. Ran out of steering. Biggest Arrma problems. Did we burn up a Eco Power? They are cheapers. Oh, look at the fan. Oh, we killed the fan out here too. Come on, buddy, spin. Spin, little guy. Well, that was fun while it lasted. I'd say it's pretty durable. I'll have to get another Servo though. Maybe a little bit of water got in there. I don't know. That was pretty fun. What'd you think?
It's good. Good.
Good for your 2-minute run?
Yeah. Rip doubles.
Yeah, thanks for breaking it.
Oh, you're welcome. Round 2.
Limp it on back to the truck. Out here at all of our jumps that we have. Seems like you guys really like that place out here, but you know, Arrma tough, baby. Let's go see how long this baby girl lasts out here. Let's get into it. We're out here. New servo's not doing too bad. Let's go see how she does on the jumps though. I mean, she is rowdy. This thing already did really well out at the skate park. No complaints. Held everything as we're running through mushrooms. So we got the first jump here. Let's go see how that does. Biggest part is I just gotta hit the jump. Well, I thought she landed okay. I mean, she's definitely flying okay. Oh my God, that fan. Look at that fly. Bro, it just flew so perfectly. Oh my God, we gotta get one more of those. Look at that. I was watching my camera, not the car. So I think we're upside down. Holy crap, guys, this thing flies so well. Now, this is where stuff usually breaks, is when we come over here to these little ones. That's usually the goal, is to make it through the trees, as you guys have seen. Save that one. Oh God. Oh, I think battery came out. That was not good. That was not good. That was not good. All right, guys, the battery just unplugged. That's all that happened. So now we're gonna go down here. It took that jump pretty good, considering it landed in the trees and hit. It already has lasted longer than my Creighton, if you guys remember, and that's how I judge every Arrma car now. So now we got my little tree jump that I like. Into the trees, literally. Took it. Took landing right on the side. Almost made it all the way onto the ramp, guys. This thing just flies so well. So that means now all we got is the big one left. We just got the big boy over here to see how far we can fly with this thing. I'm getting similar. I gotta get some more speed because, woo, that was close. Almost just took that tree out. Arrma Tough would have just taken the tree with it. Okay, it hit a root. Oh yeah, that thing flew great. I am really impressed with this car. I think it's the Holy Grail of Arrma. So far, it's the best one I've seen. I landed it. Messed that one up, but still landed it. Backflip, baby. And landed it. Uh-oh, battery came out. Guys, this thing is doing excellent over here. What do you guys think so far? This thing might be the Holy Grail. All right, all that happened, battery came out again. Oh, okay, a little bit of self-riding there. Oh man, I got dirt all over me. All over the Hobby Wing sock. Oh my God. That was a tree shot. I gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed, guys. Oh. Uh-oh. I do hear that though, don't you? I'm not sure what's clicking and clanking. Actually, I think it's just my fans that are going crazy in there. So this thing survives out here pretty well. I'm gonna get a few more jumps, but it's hitting the big jumps just fine. Just keep on trucking, baby. All right, we got this jump now. Coming at me. I don't know how I just saved that one, but there we go. We are officially in the weeds. Well guys, nothing broke on this bad girl besides the aftermarket fans, as you can hear clicking here. I guess everything I've heard about these cars are true. It can survive me, even landing pretty bad. I give this one an A+. This is the best Arrma I've ever used. Quote me now. I hope you guys enjoyed the Talion video, and let me know what you want to see next with this bad girl.